today we are starting a very special journey. We're going to meet the national animal of Pakistan. Can you guess what it is? It lives high up in the mountains and has big spiral-shaped horns. That's right. Today we're meeting the amazing Markhor. Hey there, Marty the Markhor. How are you today?
Hey, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing awesome. So happy to meet you. Would you tell us a little about yourself?
Sure. Take a look at my horns. How cool, right? They're shaped like spirals. Male Markhors like me have longer horns than the females, and I can grow up to 40 inches tall.
Whoa, your horns are super cool. But tell me, what does your name Markhor mean?
My name comes from the Persian language. Mar means snake and khor means eater. So people think I eat snakes, but that's not true. I actually just eat grass and leaves.
Haha. So you're not a snake eater, just a grass lover with a fancy name. Marty, your climbing skills are amazing. Where do you live?
I mostly live in the mountains of northern Pakistan, but you can also find me in parts of Afghanistan and Tajikistan.
Wow, isn't it hard to live so high up?
Not for me. My hooves are sharp and perfect for climbing slippery rocks. I love it up here.
Marty, what's your favorite food?
Grass and leaves are my favorite, but during dry seasons I also munch on tree bark.
Do you live alone or with a group?
I usually live in groups of 8 to 10 Markhors, but during mating season, male Markhors fight using their horns to show who's the strongest.
Ooh, have you ever been in a horn fight?
Of course, I always try to win.
Time for some cool facts about Marty the Markhor. A Markhor's horns can grow up to 1.5 meters long. It's the national animal of Pakistan. It used to be endangered, but thanks to protection, their numbers are going up.
Big thank you to everyone who's helping to protect me and my family.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.